Shenzhen FND Air and Water Technology Development Company Limited is fully integrated high-tech enterprise in atmospheric water industry. To provide a solution to water crisis, FND engages in innovation, production, sales and post-sales service for all its products. Atmospheric water generator. Atmospheric water generator transforms the moisture in the air into drinking water and creates a new water source. By the efforts of 500 employees in different countries, FND is capable to produce 3,000 AWG per day and sell to 100 countries around the world. In South Africa, Egypt, Mexico, Thailand, and China, FND's AWG provided a new water source to reduce water deficit and ensure water safety. As a certified supplier of China Aerospace Science and Technology Corporation, FND is holding 486 patents in purification and filtration. Every drop of water in AWG is safe and healthy. In past 10 years, FND received the reward from CASC as the Outstanding Supplier 5 times. In 2016, FND is appointed as the exclusive water supplier in the 4th Shenzhen International Low Carbon City Forum. FND represents future nature discovery, promise to provide a cost-effective solution to the global shortage of drinking water by extracting water from air and churning it into clean, healthy drinking water, which is improved by WHO standard. FND has various labs and equipments to stimulate diversified operating environment and ensure every drop of water is safe and healthy. FND, create the water supply for future.